Hi, this is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems, and in this short video I'm going to take you through how to create custom reports in SideKick 365 DCM. We've been getting a lot of questions about this, and so I want to show you in this 5 or 6 minute video how to create a custom report just by modifying the view that you have of cases. So let's go take a look at that. And this would apply to tasks or documents as well. So here I have a list of the cases as it looks out of the box. And what I want to do is I want to create a report that would show me all of the different cases, whether or not they're open or closed. So let's go do that. All I do is I just go ahead here, and you'll see actually when I click on the three dots there are already new views that have been created that you can use for reporting. Let me go ahead and create a new one just by hitting Create View. And I'll make it a standard view. You can take a look here and see you could make calendar or use Access or even a data sheet, which lets you do editing, sort of like a spreadsheet, right in the browser. But I'm going to go ahead and pick the standard view as the one I want to use for this demonstration. So now I've picked that, and I'll call this one Dave 2. It could be whatever you want to call it. And now I'm going to make that the default. No, I don't want that. I'm going to leave it the way it is. And I do want to make it public. If I selected this option, only I would be able to see it. But no, I want everyone to see this one. And I want to do something. Let's see, I'll do title, case number opened. Maybe I'll do created by. And I'll also say who was it modified by. Or maybe the last modified date. Let's do that. And you'll see these numbers here. So if I was to say I want my case number to be first, you can see it automatically adjusts for you. And I want this to be 6th. So if I look down the list, I should see these ones will adjust automatically for me. I'll make that one 3, and I'll make that one 4. And then I'll pick this one as, let's make it 5. Okay. So now I think we're all set to go there. Now let's take a look here and say I want to filter it. I want to say, let's see, any sorting. Let's go ahead and sort it by case number. So I'll do it by the case number, and I'll make it in ascending order. That's fine. And I could also add another sort. And now I want to filter it. So I want to say that the status is equal to, actually I'm going to say I want to see all items. If I wanted to make it just the closed ones, I could do this. And actually we'll do that real quick just to look at it. And I'll leave the rest of it the way it is for now. And we'll see what we have here. So now you can see I have just 2 listed, but it's a little funny because I can't tell that they're actually closed. So let's go ahead and modify that. And I know there's a field in there called closed. So let's go select that. Let's see, closed. There it is. And now I'm going to save that one. And now I should get the close date, which is great. That's what we wanted to see, right? Now I want to go back in. I'm going to filter it so I see all items, right? So if I go to modify my view, and I take that filter off, I'm going to say show all items. And then I have a lot of other options. I can do group by. So I could say group by, let's say the owner. And I could also do something like totals, where I do a count of the case numbers as well. And I think that's all I really want to do at this point. I think that's enough for this report. So let's go take a look at that. So it's calculating now based on the different changes I just made to it. And we should see a new view here. So there you go. You've got 7 by the CIE admin, and I've got 3 by Karen, and there's a total of 10. And it's got my close date, and I see all of them. Now what's nice is if I just go here to say File and Print, Preview, just to see it, you'll see here I have a very nice looking report that I just created doing with that view. So I hope this has given you an idea how simple it is. Now to get back, I just hit the Browse, and I'll hit my little S here, and that takes me back to the home page. And now if I ever want that report, I just go to Cases, and I click on my dots, and I click on my sample 1, and there it is. It's all ready to go, right? And I can just say, if I wanted to do another view, I could say, let's go to back to the main page here. And I'll go back in. I can actually just pick them here as well, but it's good to see some different ways to navigate here. So I'll go back to the main piece of it, click here, and you'll see here that I can do all kinds of things. Take a look at things. There's Dave 2, the one I just created. And so now you can see different ways to see different views. It's very simple, and create these on your own. So I hope that answered a lot of questions for you. If you have any questions beyond this video or anything on SideKick 365 DCM about how we manage cases or documents or how to create more of these custom reports, you can get in touch with us by sending an email to info@skylightsystems.com, and that's SKYLITESYSTEMS.com. This is Dave Chenault. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.